From the vision of our founding fathers to the boundless skies, Indonesia and Vietnam's legacy of friendship continues to soar. For generations, the ties between Indonesia and Vietnam have been built on shared values of peace, unity, and progress, values instilled by the founders of our nations. And today, this legacy takes flight at Perkasa Flight School. At Perkasa Flight School, we provide the best aviation training for students from around the world. Our instructors are highly experienced, our facilities state-of-the-art, and our curriculum is designed to meet international standards. With a focus on both skill and safety, we prepare our students for a global career in aviation. Perkasa Flight School is continuing the legacy of our founding fathers. Your journey to the skies begins here. Ready to take off? Join us at Perkasa Flight School, soaring through history, flying into the future. Perkasa Flight School is strengthening the Vietnam-Indonesia friendship, one pilot at a time.